Hello everyone. In this video, I will be telling you about how can we get enum value from a string in Java. Okay, so first of all, what is an enum? Okay, so enums are basically enumerations which contains constants. Okay, so before enum came, people used public static final int to declare an constant. Okay, public static final int. And there was another way through which people can declare constant. It was through interfaces. Okay, so here we can simply write the data type, and the main way to declare constant is through public static final. Okay, but since there was an update, so enum came and there was another way which was formed to declare constants. Okay, now let's see the code. Okay, now I'll tell you the way through which we can declare an enum. Okay, we simply write enum and then the name, right? If I write countries, okay, so this is how we are declaring. And now here I'll write simply. Okay, so since this is a constant, then it is recommended to have it fully in a capital letter. Okay, so this is in capital letter. Australia and anything else. Okay, so this is a basic way to create an enum. Okay, now let's see how can I call an enum. So countries. Okay, now the way through which we can get an enum from string value, can we wait? I'll show you. Suppose I simply print out. It can be done through the function named as dot value of. Okay, so if I write countries dot value of, and here I write in string India. Okay, then it is going to print the enum value. Okay, see here. Similarly for the other two things. Okay, now if we want to have some other value inside it, okay, let's assume this is having its population. Let's take any number. Okay, so this is having another. Okay. And here. Now the problem here we are getting is that, see, enum can be treated as a class, so we are not initializing it. Okay, so we need to initialize a constructor, okay, which is containing number. Okay, so and then we can declare a global population. Okay, now simply here I write this dot population equal to num. Okay, and now if I want this, then we make a get population function. Okay, and it returns an integer. Okay, return population. Okay, so this is how. And now see here, how can I access these countries? And now if I want to access all these countries together in a form of an array, then all countries in this. Okay, and here I simply write the enum value countries dot and then values. Okay, so this is how I can access it. And now I can simply run a loop through them. For int I is equal to 0, I less than all countries dot length I plus plus. Okay, and now I print it. Okay, so this will print or the name of the countries, and if I want the population, then I use the function dot get population, and it is going to return population of each country. Okay, so this was how enum works. Okay, so this was all about this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, happy coding.